and small. I begged it low, come live with me, that's all.
But the bird looked up with eyes so bright. I was born to fly free in the light.
Oh, fly then fly, if you can. Fly then fly, little bird, my plan. Fly, my love. So I ripped its wings one by one, left it bleeding there beneath the sun. Fly then, I snarled, full of spite.
Fly now, prove you're right. Oh, not fly, but I can sing. Not fly, but I can sing for you, my king.
Furious, I flung it to the wall.
Sing, then I screamed, watching it fall.
Blood on the floor, eyes full of pain. It whispered soft through the pouring rain.
Not sing, no more song for thee, but I can die for thee.
No more songs, but I can die for you.
I can sing, I can fly, but I can die for you.